Yes, passenger side.
Oh no. Oh no. You ruined his date. He's not happy with you about that. It might be physical. I don't think you'll get a chance to use that. Oh!
Embarrassed me in front of her.
Oh, he's just so calm. He's just along for the ride. Is he gonna close the door? No, no, no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that sound. Oh, the sounds make it so much worse. I'm not even seeing it happen. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, he's terrifying.
Passenger side.
Was that him?
He'd like to have a word with you.
Okay, I thought dude's gonna die.
Oh! You embarrassed me.
Jesus. Okay, this guy's got some mental problems, 100%. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! That's enough! I can't believe that just happened.
Yes, passenger side.
Was that him?
What do you mean passenger side?
He'd like to have a word with you.
Are we sure? A word? Yeah. It's more than a word. Okay, you know, as scary as this is, I'm kind of glad we're seeing this because I was literally liking Fisk. Like, I was like, oh, he's like kind of socially awkward. I needed to see the scary side of Fisk. Also, imagine if Wesley accidentally said, yeah, driver's side, and he accidentally tore Wesley out of the car. That would be like me, to mess up which side. Oh no. Is he gonna, like... No, 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 no. Oh my god, y'all. That is... Once again, me already trying to figure out how I can put this on YouTube. He's still going, by the way. It's been like a good amount of time. This is bad because that dude was the one that was willing to come around to Fisk and his brother was not. So his brother is gonna be pissed.
Yes, passenger side.
You're dead. Oh, oh. Damn, damn. You ruined his date. Is he wearing arm, like, chain, what is it? Chainmail?
Embarrassed me. Embarrassed me in front of her.
Oh, don't get between a man and his lady. Don't. Whew. I am afraid for Matt to go up against this man. He is like full on muscle. Just get out of the car. Your suit's already ruined. Do I still think he's cute? Yes. But fuck, he's crazy. Shit. Shit. Decapitated with a car door. Oh.
Definitely taking it out on him.
My God! Bro, Wilson Fisk is a problem.
You embarrassed me. Embarrassed me in front of her.
He just sitting in the car
He's
chilling.
rocking like it. Every time he hit the side of the car. Ew, we got him on his face.
Bruh, Wilson Fisk is a fucking problem, bruh. Bruh, how did he make it into Hawkeye? My God.
Ah, King, stop. Oh my gosh, okay.
Bruh, he cut his head off with the door? I knew it, bruh. It was foreshadowing because this is how crazy he is.
Oh! Oh my God!
You embarrassed me. Embarrassed me in front of her.
Oh! He's been there like.
Oh, he knew what was coming. That's why he said on the phone, passenger side.
They were coming on your side, huh?
Mama, give you.
Oh!
Oh!
He just gets out so calmly.
Did you see the blood?
Oh my God!
Yep. He's gonna kill him. Bro, Fisk is a big motherfucker, man. Fuck. My gosh, bro.
Take what's left of him and send it to his brother.
Damn.
It'll start a war.
I'm counting on it.
Fisk is pissed, man.
Yes, passenger side.
Oh. You're right.
Was that him?
You're right. Oh, my God.
Oh, God. Oh, shit.
I can't wait for Maddie to beat him up.
Yeah.
So is he like really strong?
Yeah.
You embarrassed me.
Oh, I knew it.
Embarrassed me in front of her.
You big baby.
Wesley, fuck you, dude. You suck. I mean, it's a
Wimps.
good villain because I'm like,
Oh, God.
oh my God, stop! He just
Oh, Kingpin. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be him. Oh, we're gonna get to see his badass side here now, aren't we? That makes sense. He's the one who fucked up his night, so. That little knife.
You embarrassed me. Embarrassed me in front of her.
Oh, not the car. Oh, God. Oh, I thought he was gonna close the car door on his head. Oh, he might still do it. Oh my God, he's gonna do it. Oh my God. I mean, couldn't you have found a way to do it without getting blood all over the car? Even he's like, yeah, I'm not getting out of the car. You got blood on me. He's still going. It took his head off.
Yes, passenger side.
Yep. You're about to be murdered, bro. You're about to be murdered. Oh, he gonna do it. He gonna kill you. Holy f. He's gonna take out all of his frustrations on him. He ruined his date! And that's really what he pissed about. But there's other too. You're gonna pull out a gun? Oh, a knife. Not his suit.
You embarrassed me.
Yep. Honestly, bro, Vanessa should run. Vanessa should run so far. Oh, no. Wesley's not even flinching. Stop! He's just getting out of the other car, or the other door. He's just getting out calmly, not even flinching. He's decapitated. There's blood. There's brains. Do you feel better now?
Jeez.
You embarrassed me. Embarrassed me in front of her. Oh, that doesn't want to.
Oh. Well, that sucks. Yeah, you're not gonna want that car back. You don't want to get rid of that. Oh, man. Hey, jeez, okay. Go on, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Word with you.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, he's finding himself. Oh my god. Bro, he's just like, yeah, well, we saw this coming. Well, he's not dead, he just knocked out. Never mind, he's dead. Yep, never mind. Oh, man. Oh my god. Yo! And this is why I say, why didn't you just wait, even if you wanted to see him? Why not just be like, okay, oh, why are you rushing in like that? So unnecessary.
Ooh, wow, I'm surprised he's doing it himself. What the heck? He's big, man.
To me. Embarrassed me in front of her.
Ooh, dang. Dang. Jeez. Dude, he's like unhinged.